Hey guys, it's the Psyche Brothers here, and today we're here on Welcome to Bloxburg, and today we're gonna be doing like the Decal ID cards, codes. All right, so as you can see on our wall, these are all custom, and they're all basketball. Since I usually go to YouTube and all I see are just like normal ones that I don't really like, so I made some custom ones, and here I'm gonna and I'll show you some. Alright, so the first one is 1, 3, 3, 4, 6, 7. Alright, 1, 8, 5, 2. 8, 5, 2. Alright, so once you enter this code, you'll get a really cool Russell Westbrook poster. Oh geez, I didn't really think I gave you time to pause that, but hopefully I did. I might go through it again. But alright, so let's go over here to the Chris Paul one. Next time I'll take more time to like see. Alright, so next one is, and they all start with 1, 3, 3, 4 because that's just our little code thing. Like it gives you like starts you out with something. And 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 9, 7, 5, 3, 6, 7, 5, 3. Alright, so the next one, that's pretty long. It looks pretty long. Yeah, I knew it wasn't right. Alright, so this. Yeah, I got it wrong. 1, 3, 3, 7. Okay. 2, 3, 9. 7, 5, 3. I think it's 1, 3, 3, 4, 7. No, it's 1, 3, 3, 7. I got it right. Oh, that's blocked. The one I put in was blocked. Sorry about that, guys. The one I put, I recognize it was blocked. Because that's why it starts with a different thing. Alright, just forget that. Alright, 1, 3, 3, 4, 6, 7, 0, 0, 1, 5, 1. So, I'll let you guys pause this real quick, and then continue. Oh, there we go. Jimmy Butler on the Timberwolves. So it's really cool. And then it had some wolves behind him. Oh jeez, I really like Jimmy Butler, and especially that's a really awesome picture. Alright, so, next picture. Now, 1, 3, 3, 4, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Alright, 6, 2, 6, 2, 1, 6. Alright, so, go ahead and pause that, guys, so you can enter the code. Now, this one, it's just loading. John Wall. That was pretty cool. Didn't it really turn out how I expected? It's pretty cool. Alright, so now this one, oh geez, let me scroll down. Alright, Jay's picture. So next one is 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 7. Oh geez, this is James Harden. This is the James Harden one. And if you guys didn't know, the background noise is just for cute cats. He's just like playing with this box. Alright, so the next picture is, his name is Jasper, but you can call him Jasper. Alright, 1, 3, 3, 4. 1, 3, 3, 4, 6, 2, 7. 8, 2, 5. So pause that, go ahead and pause that so you can get the code. Continue. That one's a pretty cool Isaiah Thomas picture. And we looked really hard, and all we could find were wallpapers of Isaiah Thomas on the Celtics. And Evan wanted this on his side of his room. So, because me and Evan live here together, basically, in the little house. But Evan hasn't paid for it yet. But he helped build it and stuff. So when he gets an entry, we're gonna like work together and do all that stuff. Cause I don't have the Robux. Alright, well, if you're wondering, it costs 25 Robux to get in. Sorry we didn't tell you that before. Cause, well, I'm very sorry about that. Cause 6214. You're probably really disappointed that we were done to say that. But alright, that's okay. Alright, 1, 3, 4. You have like 25 Robux. 1, 3, 4. 6, 2, 1, 4. 6, 2, 1, 4. 1, 3. Alright, so go ahead. That looks like a pretty long code. I don't think that's right, but oh, it is right. LeBron James. And it says LeBron James on the side. that's the big one we have over there. But anyways, we're gonna do like a couple more. 6, 1, 2. All right. 1. Oh geez, I didn't even change the picture. Wait, why would you change the logo? Oh, all right, fine. I'll change the Russell Westbrook one because I have 2 of them. All right. So now this one, 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, 3. Sorry if this is a pretty boring video. No, a lot of people watching this are gonna play Bloxburg because they wouldn't watch it if they don't play it. No, I'm not going to. Well, I mean, we're probably like Chris Paul. 6 Chris Paul. Alright, so there's a pretty cool Chris Paul poster. So Isaiah Thomas, I'll take away this one because this. Oh, there's duplicates. There's 2 of us. Alright, and then the last one for this video, 1, 3, 3, 4. And you know the one that said 1, 3, 3, 7. By the way, that was a really awesome Lonzo Ball picture, and I really disappointed it didn't show. But all right, never. All right, anyways, 1, 3, 3, 4, 6, 7, 0, 4, 0, 5. 0. No, what did you put 0? I'm confused. 0, 4, 0, 5. All right, so go ahead, copy that code, and then Paul George. Oh, is the last one. We didn't have that one in before. But anyways, we'll give you a quick tour around the room. Alright. So anyways, it looks amazing now. It's so cool. And if you notice these 2 at the entrance, we'll probably just paint those off camera, and then we'll show you the full thing. So we're gonna go ahead and pause the video right now to paint those, and then we'll give you a full tour around the house. So anyways, here it is. We're at the front of our house. And get ready for a tour. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and walk in. Open. Wait. I was gonna show you outside. So if I click here, switch off, it turns the whole power off. It turns everything in the house. See, it even turns these off. And then switches back on. Every single light goes on. So that's pretty cool. So now I'm gonna go in. So over here is the bathroom. I don't know why it's open. It wouldn't let us do like a real floor because I guess it was too close to the other room, which I still didn't understand because the other room let us do a floor. But anyways, always taking a dump right now. But so we ended up having to do paths for that floor. But anyways, there's a shower, a sink, and some toilets. Oh, I didn't mention yet. This is called the Rainbow Express because everything is rainbow. Here's a little, except the chairs. Yeah. Alright, so here's a little room if you want like some peace and quiet while you're eating. You can come on in here. Like nobody really comes in here because they don't really know what it is, so they just eat at the lobby. So and then here is the kitchen. Oh, there's a great menus. So then you go in here. The fridge. Your content. I'll just show you. If you don't know what Bloxburg is, you can like store in your fridge and stuff. So with that stuff, and then on the stove you cook stuff. Like most people that play it should know. So then we have, alright, this $5,000 computer. Like this is like a $1,000 chair. Like a $6,000 TV.
It's funny because we spent like more money on this room itself. It's like our office to get our stats up.
So the lava lamp was like $600. The chair was like maybe
like 1,000.
Yeah, and then the computer $5,000.
We already said that though.
Yeah, the computer $5,000. The TV. I think we already said
2,200. And then we'll go to the painting room and show you what we were doing earlier. You guys pretty much already saw it. Just
so
the 2
here's the James Harden, Paul George, and then Russell Westbrook, Jimmy Butler, John Wall, James Harden, Isaiah Thomas, LeBron James, Chris Paul, Paul George, LeBron James. So then if we go out here, we can go out to the pool,
which has a nice lit up path.
Yeah, Evan actually updated it lately, and it looks really nice. Oh, but when I got on, I was playing with the like beach balls, and when I hit one of the beach balls, it like went flying out of the thing, and then when I got on, it said that it was permanently destroyed.
I know.
For some reason, so we only have 2 beach balls. Oh my! Oh jeez, these are really fun. Alright, hopefully it doesn't like destroy that.
We used to have a diving board, but to extend the pool we had to delete it. We're probably just gonna buy it back in one of the future videos. But
It's a pretty
anyways,
nice one.
and also wait. And also we got some little tables over here. We're gonna add the chairs soon, but we're really broke.
Yeah.
We're not really broke, but we can't really afford all those chairs. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead back to the front entrance, and then we'll get near into the...
So anyways, that's gonna wrap up that video, and I know a lot of you are probably clicking off the video right now, but I have one last thing to say. If you guys want us to do more of this Bloxburg stuff, and if you want us to, comment whether you want us to do building, or just like hacks on the game, more ID codes, different subject ID codes. We can do delivering pizzas and see how much money we can get, just getting our stats up in general, all of that stuff. And leave a comment and a like if you thought our cafe was good. So anyways, sorry this has been a pretty boring video, but that's gonna wrap up this video.
Wait. Alright, I'm gonna have some... Alright, so, alright, I was gonna try to say something. So, if you like the, like, ID codes, if you say... Oh my gosh, I can't talk. So, if you were to search basketball decal ID codes for Bloxburg, you'll find one result. One result. Probably more than
No,
that.
well, no, I've never seen another one on YouTube. But, like, I've looked for them. But, so, we made our custom ones, and they look really cool. So, if you enjoyed, and you like the poster, like, that you put in your house, please put a like on this video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace.